Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of August, 2024. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay informed about our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the end of July 2024, our system has classified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock saw a decline of negative 0.3%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 0.15% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 7.4% over the next 3 months, suggesting a potential return ranging from 7.4% to 22.98%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points to a change of 41.14% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between 41.14% and 61.78%. This translates to a price range of approximately $588.70 to $674.79 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft reveals a decline in stock, with a headline stating, "Red day on Thursday for Microsoft stock after losing nearly 0.3%. On the last trading day, Thursday, the 1st of August, 2024, Microsoft's stock price decreased by nearly 0.3%, dropping from $418.35 to $417.11. This marks 3 consecutive days of decline. Throughout the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.48%, ranging from a low of $413.09 to a high of $427.46. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 6 instances and has decreased by 5.28% during this period. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is seen as a positive indicator since volume typically follows the trend of the stock. On that day, trading volume fell by 13 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $12.13 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $468.35, while the lowest was $309.45. Currently, the price stands 10.94%, or $51.24, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft Corporation is currently navigating a blend of challenges and opportunities that could influence its stock price both in the short and long term. Following the release of its second quarter earnings, Microsoft witnessed a significant drop in stock value, driven by concerns regarding weaker-than-expected performance in its Azure cloud services. Despite the company reporting a double beat in earnings, analysts remain cautious about its near-term growth prospects in the cloud sector, primarily due to constraints related to artificial intelligence capacity. At the same time, Microsoft is actively boosting its investments in artificial intelligence, which has rekindled optimism among certain investors. Recent adjustments to stock price targets by Wall Street analysts indicate a favorable outlook, suggesting robust future performance fueled by these AI initiatives. Nonetheless, the increased capital investments also bring about execution risks that could impact the stock's performance negatively. Compounding this situation, the company is under scrutiny from several law firms investigating potential claims on behalf of its shareholders, which may introduce further volatility in the stock price as uncertainties persist. In the short term, the interplay of negative earnings sentiment and ongoing legal investigations may hinder stock appreciation. On the other hand, if Microsoft's investments in artificial intelligence yield positive results and enhance market performance, the long-term outlook could experience significant growth. Balancing these factors will be essential for investors as they navigate the current landscape surrounding Microsoft. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Microsoft a buy grade while recommending a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank rated Microsoft as overweight and also suggested a hold action. Furthermore, Oppenheimer gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold recommendation on that day. Additionally, Barclays rated Microsoft as overweight, maintaining a hold action. Lastly, Wells Fargo also assigned an overweight grade to Microsoft, alongside a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, the stock receives a rating of strong buy from analysts. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Microsoft stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which creates a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During any upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $422.53 and $445.16. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 5, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 10.79%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 9 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 188 days ago. Be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $415.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $14.37, or 3.48%. During the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 2.61%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.14. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $418.35. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft has its first support level at $415.13. If this support level remains intact, it might be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Alice L. executed an insider sale of 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. conducted an insider purchase of 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. made an insider purchase of 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Pricker Penny S. purchased 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. Also on June 13, 2024, Peterson Sandra E. acquired 40,358 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 83.769. In total, insiders bought 14,177 shares and sold 204,299 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? The Microsoft stock exhibits several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Microsoft will experience a weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Hence, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of August, we expect Microsoft to open up by $2.11 and begin trading at $419.22. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.